Okay, class 10th. Yes, finally we are here and the live for your half yearly quiz with almost more than 100 quiz. Ajao, are you ready to compete, everyone? Come on, jaldi se aao. I'm waiting for you. Yes. Here is the game pin 441201. Yes. Waiting for participants. The game pin is 441201. Come on. चलो बच्चों आ जाओ. If you are watching this live stream, welcome to Revision College channel. Kahoot quiz. What you have to do, you have to download the. अरे कुछ डाउनलोड वगैरह नहीं करना है यार. Come on. आ जाओ. Join the quiz. Let me make you join this quiz. Join class 10th. Join quiz. Yes, just click and join quiz. Click and join quiz. Yes. Pin message. Message have been pinned. चलो बच्चों आ जाओ. अरे भाई हाफ ईयरली की. You cannot get the one of the best preparations, man. Class 10th. I'm waiting for you. Join the quiz. Come on. 441201. Half yearly quiz battle. Class 10 science. 441201. Hello, this is Anil Singh from Revision College channel. I'm here to make you practice your half-yearly examinations question. And join the quiz. Just click this link and you can practice science 200 questions right here, right now. It is an opportunity to practice a lot of questions. What are you waiting for, man? Come on. चलो बाबा आ जाओ. Four four one 201. Hello, Mitali. Not able to join. Come on. So Fascinating Mink had joined. Welcome, Fascinating Mink. Hello, DT. How are you? This is not automatic live. Class 10th half yearly, 200 questions. Yes. Assertion reason question. Rusting is only a physical change. No new substance is formed. Assertion true, reason true. Reason explains assertion. Yes, tell me. Assertion false. Rusting is not a physical change. It is It is chemical change also. Ah. Oh my god. Which process occurs in both mitochondria and cytoplasm? Glycolysis, Krebs cycle, electron transport chain, anaerobic respiration. थोड़ा सा. Thank you very much, DT. Krebs cycle, glycolysis. It is anaerobic respiration. Yes, both mitochondria and cytoplasm anaerobic respiration. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Identify thermal decomposition reaction. What is thermal decomposition reaction? Thermal decomposition reaction. Thermal decomposition reaction. CaCO3 plus heat gives CaO plus CO2 is the correct answer. Yes, trending piranha. Hemoglobin binds CO2 more readily than O2. CO2 transport needs hemoglobin more than O2 does. बताओ भाई. Assertion true, reason explains assertion. More than O2 does. Assertion true, reason false. Assertion true, reason does not explain assertion. बताओ बाबा, जल्दी बताओ. Assertion false. Assertion false. Reason true. Yes. Balancing C3H8 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. So if you will balance this, what you will get? What you will get if you will balance this? C3H8 5O2 plus CO2. We have Peaceful Cheetah. Welcome, Peaceful Cheetah. Yes, sequence of air passage in humans. What is the sequence of air passage? Okay. Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchi, trachea, larynx, pharynx, pharynx, trachea, bronchi, trachea, pharynx, larynx, bronchi. सांस लेने का टाइम नहीं है यहाँ पर. You just need to focus and practice. Just click the link and join the quiz. Powerful kiwi, peaceful cheetah. Yes. Identify displacement reaction. Identify displacement reaction. What is the displacement reaction? Come on. You can answer that in 5 seconds. You can answer that in just 5 seconds. What is the displacement reaction? Come on. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. And that is iron plus copper sulfate gives iron sulfate plus copper. And that is your chapter number 1 question. Trendy Piranha is trending at number 1 rank. Main product of aerobic respiration. What is the main product of aerobic respiration? Which is useful? Come on. What is the main product of aerobic respiration? 3 answers. Come on, everyone. Welcome to Revision College channel. I'm Anil. And you will be getting live question practice here. Trending Piranha is trending. Wow, excellent reaction. What do you have to do? Just click the link. Click the link, you'll join the live quiz, or you can answer in the chat as well. Reaction H2O to H2 plus H2O plus O2 is double displacement. Combination decomposition redox. Yes, everyone. Join the quiz. That is redox reaction. That is redox. Oh. Which component transports sugar in plants? Parenchyma, phloem, xylem, cambium. Yes. The thing which transport food That is phloem. Phloem for food. All the participants are correct. All participants are correct. Yes. Oxidation always involves gain of oxygen. All oxidation reaction in NCERT class 10 show oxygen gain. Yes. What? Assertion false, reason true, assertion true, reason explain, assertion. Assertion true, reason true. Assertion true, but reason is false. Oh my god. Yes, reason is false, man. All NCERT, all this thing is. ये कैसे true हो सकता है? ये कैसे true हो सकता है? Which part of nephron filters blood? Which part of nephron filters blood? Collecting duct, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle ureter. Which part of nephron filters blood? Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule is the correct answer. Yup. सभी का correct है भाई. Yes. Quiz. Identify precipitation reaction. Identify precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction क्या है? Iconic reaction from chapter number 1. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. Yes. 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 Next question, the 14th question. Chamber receiving deoxygenated blood from body. Deoxygenated blood कहाँ से आता है? Right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Yep. कहाँ से आता है? Right atrium, left atrium. बताओ जल्दी. And the right answer is right atrium. Right atrium is the correct answer. Oh, powerful Kiwis. Powerful position. And he or she, I don't know who is powerful Kiwi. I will reveal the name in the end. Balancing zinc plus H2SO4 and zinc sulfate plus H2 gives, like, how we are going to balance that? बताओ जल्दी. Zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2 is the correct answer. Yup. Final breakdown of glucose occurs in. Final breakdown of glucose occurs in. Aditya is powerful Kiwi. Final breakdown of glucose occurs in mitochondria, ribosome. Final breakdown of glucose, nuclear, cytoplasm. कहाँ होता है भाई? Final breakdown. It is in mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell. Powerful Kiwi is on top now. The next question, identify photochemical reaction. Photochemical reaction. अरे ये तो भाई ऐसी बता सकते हो. Is it red, blue, yellow or green? That is red. Silver bromide sunlight gives silver and bromine. Oh, peaceful cheetah. Hello Himanshu, welcome to Revision Color channel. Which vessels carries deoxygenated blood to lungs? Which vessel carries deoxygenated blood to lungs? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, vena cava, aorta. What? Pulmonary artery is the correct answer. Pulmonary artery is the correct answer. Great. Great, nice. Next question is, reduction is loss of oxygen. The reason is copper oxide. Copper involves reduction of copper. Okay. Reduction is a loss of oxygen. Assertion true, reason true, reason explains assertion is the correct answer. Trendy Piranha is now trending back to number 1 position. Which reaction type is calcium hydroxide plus CO2? CaCO3H2O. बताओ भाई, double displacement combination displacement decomposition. That is double displacement reaction. Whoa. Very subtle. That was very subtle. Primary site of starch digestion in humans. What is the primary site of starch digestion in human? Primary site. Large intestine, small intestine, mouth, stomach. Yeah. That is mouth. Salivary amylase. The action of salivary amylase, man. Come on. Right. Trendy Piranha is trending on number 1. Reaction, hydrogen, oxygen, 2H2O is what? Redox combination, displacement, decomposition. 9, 8, 7. That is redox. Redox. Hydrogen is getting reduced. Product when iron reacts with steam, man, bhap. Product when iron reacts with steam. Fe2O3, Fe3O4, FeO, FeCl2, FeCl3. Fe3O4. Come on, that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. कुछ क्वेश्चन है चैलेंज करने के लिए, लेकिन दे आर आउट ऑफ योर समटाइम्स फॉर डबल पॉइंट क्वेश्चन. पजल. ओ माय गॉड, आप लोगों को पजल बनाना है. मतलब यू हैव टू फ्रॉम फिंगर यू हैव टू शफल द करेक्ट आंसर. 1 मिनट का टाइम है. आपको करेक्ट आंसर को अपने डिवाइस पे आपको बताना है, और जो चैट में आंसर कर रहे हैं आपको राइट कलर सीक्वेंस बताना है. Okay, what is the color sequence? Like red, blue, yellow, green, or green, red, blue, yellow. Okay. So photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Means from your NCERT, what is the correct process? Yes. Absorption of light energy by what? जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ, जल्दी बताओ. Only one student is correct. Absorption. Come on. Oh no. Honesty Haina is just joined. Welcome, Honesty Haina. Again, puzzle question. Pancreatic juice digests protein, fats, and carbohydrate. Intestinal enzymes convert protein, carbohydrate, fats to simpler forms. Gastric gland release hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and mucus. Bile salts break fats into small globules. Yeah. You have time. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is oh, only one student is correct. यहाँ पे टाइम पास नहीं हो रहा है everyone. The right way to revision, just like the exam hall, with some music. Glucose breakdown. What is the correct process? Okay. Two are correct and two are wrong. Okay. Next puzzle. Double points. Oxygen pathway in respiration. What is the oxygen pathway in respiration? Oxygen binds with hemoglobin in red blood corpuscles. Oxygen diffuses into alveolar blood vessels. Oxygen is transported to tissue for respiration. And oxygen enters through nostrils, pharynx, and trachea. So, what is the correct sequence? Yes. What is the correct answer? What is the correct sequence? Hello, Yug Bhai Gaming. Only one? कौन है भाई वो lucky one? थोड़ा challenge मिलेगा. You'll get the challenge. Trendy Piranha. अच्छी preparation चल रही है. Wow. Because these are in-depth question from NCERT. Double circulation. Blood is pumped from right ventricle to lungs for oxygenation. Left ventricle pumps oxygen-rich blood to body. Oxygenated blood enters left atrium, passes to left ventricle. Deoxygenated blood enters right atrium and passes to right ventricle. What is the correct sequence? बताओ भाई. 1 minute का time मिल रहा है इसके लिए. You are getting 1 minute. Right puzzle. You have to tell the right sequence. Color. You can comment the colors. RGB. Y. Lal, neela, peela, hara kind of. Connection loss. There is no connection loss. Come on. One is correct. One is incorrect. Trendy Piranha. My God. OG. Trendy Piranha. Transport of water in plants. Transport of water in plants. What is the correct sequence of transport of water in plants? Red, blue, yellow, green. Continuous column water is maintained from roots to leaves. Water moves into root from soil due to the concentration difference. Transportation creates suction pull in xylem vessels. Root cells in contact with soil actively takes up ions. What is the correct sequence? क्या correct sequence है इसमें? Tell me. One answer आ गया भाई अभी. Everyone is wrong. कोई बात नहीं है. NCERT से मिला लेना भाई. ये NCERT के इन डेप्थ क्वेश्चंस है एवरीवन. ये जो कॉम्पिटेंसी बोलते हैं ना, कॉम्पिटेंसी. व्हाट इज कॉम्पिटेंसी? व्हाट इज कॉम्पिटेंसी? लेट मी टेल यू. कॉम्पिटेंसी क्वेश्चंस आर द इन डेप्थ questions which are made from the lines of the NCERT. बस तुमने वो lines कितनी अच्छी understood करी हैं, that is the competency based questions. Okay, so transport in phloem. NCERT line by line, if you are actually making inside your brain, you're learning it properly, means you don't need any reference book. And these are from NCERT lines. Transport in phloem. Food moves tissues with less pressure. Osmotic pressure increases in phloem tissue. Water moves into phloem creating pressure. Sucrose is transferred into phloem tissue using ATP. If you are not joining the quiz, फिर भी यदि तुम क्विज देख रहे हो तो उससे ही तुमको पता चल जाएगा कि तुम्हारी तैयारी कितनी है. हाउ मच यू आर. आर्कटिक आर्माडिल्लो, वेलकम 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 आर्कटिक आर्माडिल्लो. हेलो गोपाल जी, जय हो गोपाल जी की. Gas movement in plants during day. Carbon dioxide from respiration is used up in photosynthesis. Hence, no carbon dioxide release occurs during the day. Oxygen release is the major event during the day. At night, carbon dioxide elimination is the major event. These are all the lines of your NCRT, my friends. These are all the lines of your NCRT. What is the level of class 10th math paper board? The level is increasing. It is going to be a problem solving thing. Yeah. Everyone, if you want to excel in class 10, then remember the rule of 5. You should revise NCRT 5 times. Whatever, whenever you're giving the exams. Or else there will be John Cena kind of a thing. You can see me. Double point. Urine formation in humans. Well. Again, the sequence NCRT. How much you have got the NCRT? Remaining substances concentrated into urine in tubule. Urine passes from kidneys into ureters. Selective reabsorption and filtration of blood. Okay. Yes. So what happens? You have 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 6. Whoa! Congratulations! 3 are correct. Very nice. Excellent. So proud. Again, puzzle questions. Waste removal in plants. Waste removal in plants. Waste products stored in leaves that fall off. Oxygen is released as byproduct of photosynthesis. Waste substances released into surrounding soil. Raisins and gum stored in food. These are all higher order thinking question, competency questions. जिसको competency बोला है. What is the competency? Competency means the questions which you need after rectification of the NCRT. Come on. What is the correct sequence? Red, blue, yellow, green. What is the correct sequence? क्या है भाई correct sequence? बताओ. Four, 3, 2, 1. No! No! Puzzle. Double point. Photosynthesis. Storage step. What are the storage steps of photosynthesis? Again, same NCRT lines. Same NCRT lines of your life process chapter. When there is some introduction about photosynthesis, so there is a diagram, the cross section of a leaf. उसके साइड में जो पैराग्राफ में 3 पॉइंट्स है वहां से है ये. I remember it. So this is how you have to visualize the NCERT, not memorize it. Yeah, after intense memorization comes visualization. Favorite cricketer? अरे यार क्या बात, क्या कर रहे हो ये जान के, मुझे क्रिकेट ही नहीं पसंद है. How many questions are there in this quiz? More than 100 questions, my friend. Wow! 3. सभी का करेक्ट है. Great. Excellent. Nice. Puzzle question. Double point के लिए. Human digestion. Human digestion puzzle. Churning and protein digestion by pepsin in stomach. Enzymatic digestion of carbohydrate. Pepsin and fats by pancreatic juice. Crushing and partial digestion by saliva in mouth. Neutralization and fat emulsification by bile. क्या क्या होता है, क्या क्या होता है भाई बताओ. What is the sequence? इसमें गड़बड़ मत करना. Please do not do गड़बड़ in this question, because it is there the question of your life process and it is so easy. Yes. Three students are correct. Yes. पहले mouth, फिर stomach, फिर pancreas and फिर intestine. This is the correct sequence. Next. Respiration events. ATP. Pyruvate converted into lactic acid during lack of oxygen in muscles. Glucose breakdown in pyruvate in cytoplasm. Pyruvate converted into ethanol, carbon dioxide in yeast. Pyruvate completely oxidized to carbon dioxide and water in mitochondria. Tell me. What are the correct respiration events? What are the correct respiration events? ये 3 pathways of breakdown of for the glucose in respiration section of your life process chapter. Oh my god, blue, yellow, blue, red, yellow and green was the correct sequence. No problem, my friends, no problem. At least you will get the idea how much you are prepared. This is not your real exam, this is the fun, but this fun is very beneficial because here you will be tested. Please don't disappoint. Try. Just join the Kahoot quiz, subscribe to the channel, and you will get the real value out of technology. And please do check out my Anki flashcards. It is going to make you topper. Just beat all the toppers in the class by Anki flashcards. Please check out that. Circulation and hemoglobin. Correct sequence. Pumped by left ventricle through entire body. Oxygen diffuses in alveoli, blood capillaries. Oxygenated blood reaches left atrium from lungs. Oxygen binds with hemoglobin in RBC, not RCB. 3 students are correct. 3 students are correct. Nice, excellent. Wow. Trendy Piranha is on trending. New nephron functioning. What is the correct sequence of nephron functioning? Yes. Tell me. Okay. Reabsorption of useful substances like glucose and water, tubular concentration of waste, filtration of blood at Bowman's capsule, passage of urine via ureters to bladder. Who is on top? I don't know. But I should know. I should know it. Oh, all the fours are correct. All the four answers are correct. Wow. Stomatal function. These puzzle questions are really going to test you because these are competency level questions. Means they will test your understanding of the chapter, how much you remember the NCERT. इसीलिए, if you want to learn, if you want to, just there is one formula. This has been for all 15 years, the same formula, and that is to memorize NCERT line by line. You will handle all the competencies. Yes. So what is the correct sequence? Okay. 10, 9. Trendy Piranha is Mithali. Mithali is on top. Powerful Kiwi is Aditya. Yes. 3 students are correct. Yeah, Kind Crow. Kind Crow. Puzzle. Double points. Arrange the steps showing bile action on fats. Nice, nice, nice. Arrange the steps showing bile action on fats. So we are talking about the bile action of fats. How does the action of bile is there on fats, and what is the correct sequence? Come on. Enough time has been given. 3 answers आ गए हैं अभी तक. Please like the stream. No one is. Oh, come on यार, तुम लोग like ही नहीं करते हो यार. One answer is correct. If you think this live stream is actually helpful, please like. It will get the good signal for YouTube to spread this. Arrange the steps of respiration in fishes. Oh, you never know कहाँ से question आ जाते हैं. Water is forced past the gills. Operculum covering gills, slits open and closes. Ah! Water is forced past the gills. Operculum covering gills, slits open and closes. Fish takes water through its mouth. Dissolved oxygen is absorbed by blood in gills. Gills? देखो फर्स्ट हो तो येलो वाला आएगा एंड देन यस ओनली वन येलो रेड ब्लू एंड ग्रीन ट्रेंडिंग पिराना double points. Arrange the events during breathing in humans. Arrange the events during breathing in humans. Come on, ये इसमें गड़बड़ मत करना. इसमें गड़बड़ मत करना. You will get the correct. You can get the correct answer. 1 minute का time है. Oxygen in alveolar air diffuses into blood. Carbon dioxide from blood diffuses into alveoli. Diaphragm flattens and ribs lift upwards. Air is sucked into lungs, filling alveoli. Mm-hmm. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and only one. Only one. Ah, and that is Arctic armadillo. Double point. Arrange a sequence of limb formation and transport. Lymph drains into lymphatic capillaries. Plasma escapes from capillaries into intercellular spaces. Lymphatic vessels open into larger veins. This fluid forms lymph with less protein. Yes. (27, 26, 25) क्या है? What is the correct sequence? Lymph. Oh, ये देखो ऐसा system है इसमें कि like you never know from where the question is being asked in the examination. So you have to be very careful. Wow, 2 students are correct. Blue, green, red, and yellow is the correct sequence. Yes. Which part of the brain maintains posture and balance? Which part of the brain maintains posture and balance? Cerebellum, cerebrum, pons, medulla. पजल चले गए कोई बात नहीं. Cerebellum, cerebrum, pons, medulla. Okay. Which hormones is secreted by adrenal glands during stress? Insulin, thyroxine, testosterone, adrenaline. Adrenaline. Which plant hormone helps in cell division? Auxin, gibberellin, cytokinin, abscisic acid. Cell division. Cytokinin is the correct answer. 2 students are correct. Arctic armadillo, trendy piranha. The gap between 2 neurons is called dendroid axon synapse impulse. Synapse. Okay, kind crow is not so kind. Which neuron part receives information first? Nucleus, dendroid, axon, cell body. Information. Dendroids. Obviously. Just like roots. What controls voluntary action in humans? Medulla, cerebellum, cerebrum, spinal cord. Who is on top? Mithali is on top. Yes. Powerful Kiwi is on number 2 now. बहुत बढ़िया. Which gland regulates metabolism? Thyroid, pituitary, adrenal, pancreas. फिफ्टियथ क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. देखते ही देखते हमने 50 क्वेश्चंस कर लिए. वी हैव डन 50 क्वेश्चंस. इजंट इट ग्रेट? Arctic armadillo. Suspicious player is here, and Arctic armadillo, you are going to be rejected. क्यों इतना मतलब? Why are you trying so hard? Which hormone lowers blood sugar levels? Glucagon, insulin, thyroxine, adrenaline. Insulin. Trendy piranha is on number 1. Powerful kiwi. Which part of the brain connects to the spinal cord? Pons, hypothalamus, medulla, cerebellum. Okay. Pons, hypothalamus, medulla. Medulla is the correct answer. Whoa. Trendy piranha, powerful kiwi, fascinating mink. Top 3 contenders. Which system controls reflex actions? Spinal cord, pons, cerebellum, brain. Yes. बताओ जल्दी. Which system controls reflex action? Reflex action. Spinal cord, pons, cerebellum, brain. From control and coordination chapter, it is spinal cord. You have the reflex arc for that. Reflex arc. Kind crow. Nice. Which hormone helps ripen fruits? Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, ethylene. Yes. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, ethylene. And that is ethylene. Yes. Which plant hormone inhibits growth? Auxin, abscisic acid, ethylene, and gibberellin. Everyone, welcome to Revision Color channel. Here you will get the chance to practice quizzes live. So, kya dekh rahe ho bhai? Just click the pinned comment and join the quiz, or you can answer in the chat as well. Abscisic acid is the correct answer, by the way, for this. Tropic movement caused by light is called. And do not forget to check Anki flashcards, which will actually change the way you're taking your education career. I'm not talking about class 10, but if you will start spaced repetition or active recall with the Anki flashcards, your life gonna change. So please do check out. पहले रिसर्च कर लेना है ना अच्छे से YouTube पे, उसके बाद में. India में it is not trending, but it will be soon. Movement of roots towards gravity is positive geotropism, negative geotropism, positive phototropism, negative phototropism. Towards root. Towards root. If you're going towards root, what is this called? Positive geotropism. 5 answers, man. Nice. Invincible pony. Okay. Okay. Which endocrine gland is called master gland? Ah. क्या ये भी कोई question है? Pituitary. Trendy Piranha has the streak with highest answer. Hello Dit Rathi, please subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Revision Galle, where you will get a lot of quiz practice, thousands of quiz practices throughout your grade 10th. So subscribe to the channel and watch some interesting videos. It is going to helpful a lot. Iodine, thyroid. Again, everyone, I am just requesting you, please start doing spaced repetition, active recall. Do check out my Anki flashcards video. It is going, download the free demo flashcards and try it. जो भूल रहे हो ना, your forgetfulness, वो दूर हो जाएगा. भूलना भूल जाओगे. Which part of brain is largest in size? Pons. Cerebrum, man. Yes. Double point ke liye question, everyone. Which plant hormone causes elongation of cells? Elongation of cells. Ethylene, abscisic acid, cytokinin, auxin. बहुत जल्दी I am going to actually bring team battles as well. The most controversial quiz competitions on YouTube. Auxin. Auxin is the correct answer. Yes. Movement in mimosa is due to. Mimosa means chui moi. Light change, hormone release, water loss in cells, gravity change. If you want to experience this quiz, please click the link. Just click the pinned comment link. There is a link. You will just join the quiz live. Water loss in cells. Only 3 answers. Yes. Like there are single lines in your NCERT which can test you. So before that, you need to experience the test. So that's why we have the Kahoot quiz. Reflex actions are slow responses, learned responses, spontaneous and quick, always conscious. Okay. Always conscious. No, spontaneous and quick is the correct answer. ठीक है जी. Kind Crow has the answer streak of 12. Wow. Shout out for Kind Crow. Ria. Shout out for Ria. Impulse travels from dendroid cell body, axon, dendroid, axon, cell body, axon, dendroid, cell body, dendroid, axon, dendroid, cell body, axon. This is the correct answer. Oh, Kind Crow, 13 answers continuously. Which tissue transmits message in body? Epithelial, muscular, connective, nervous. Message in the body. Message in the body. Oh, yo, Exoflow. How are you? Thyroxine regulates what? Hello, Vedant. Welcome to Revision College channel, dude. Thyroxine regulates reproductive traits. Just show your aura, come on. I'm fine, Exo. How are you? How is your music song going on? Metabolism is the correct answer. Kind Crow on top 3 right now. Fascinating Mink is now into 4th position. कोई बात नहीं. Double point के लिए question है. Be very careful. Which is an involuntary action? Walking, coughing, eating, blinking. Involuntary action. Involuntary action, everyone. Two, one, and here we go. And that is coughing. Coughing is involuntary. Ah. Writing, not recording anything. No. This is the, like, you should record your journey. If you're on YouTube, you should be committed to it. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy? Cytokinin, abscisic acid, gibberellin, ethylene. Itne question we will be doing, everyone. That question kahin se bhi aa jaye exam mein, like NCERT. Let me tell you, the most important thing about this is NCERT line by line. Man, just like this case study, CBSE sample question paper 2 2021 term. See this? This is from your activity. This is from your activity. The figure shown below, like X and Y. What is X and Y? Yes. Sunlight, carbon dioxide, oxygen, chlorophyll. Yeah. And the answer is carbon dioxide absorbed by potassium hydroxide. Yes, powerful kiwi. Powerful kiwi is so powerful. Yes. Read the case and answer all the powerful things. What is the role of KOH here? What is the role of potassium hydroxide here? This is the question. What is the role of potassium hydroxide here? Yeah. To absorb carbon dioxide is the correct answer. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Trendy Piranha. Yes, thank you Exoflow for sharing your experience. What would be the result of the iodine test on the leaves of plant X and Y respectively? What would be the result of the iodine test on the leaves of plant X and Y respectively? Tell me. For this case, this is the case based question already asked in 2021 term exam, first term. Yes. बताओ भाई. Iodine test X पे, X वाली लीव्स पे क्या होगा and Y जो बेल जा रहा है उस लीव्स पे क्या होगा? Blue black, no change. Blue black on Y, no change on X. Yes, because carbon dioxide was absorbed from the X bell jar. Which of the following steps ensure that apparatus remains airtight? Which of the following steps ensure that apparatus remains airtight? Oh. First is placing the plants on the glass plate using suction pump. Second, using suction pump, applying Vaseline to seal the bottom of the jar. So first and third, or second and fourth, creating vacuum. What is the correct answer? Again from the activity, from the deep understanding of your NCERT, this question. First and third is the correct answer. Placing the plant on the glass plate and using Vaseline. Which process provides the maximum energy for running a marathon? Anaerobic respiration, aerobic respiration, breathing, fermentation. Yeah. Running a marathon. If you're running a marathon, then what? Anaerobic respiration, aerobic respiration, breathing, or fermentation. What is the correct answer? Aerobic respiration is the correct answer. Yes. Nice. Which process provides a small burst of extra energy near the end of the race? Fermentation, breathing, aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. So Naren was participating in a marathon. He was running at position 2 right from the beginning. Just when he was close to the finishing line, he started running faster to stand first. And when he was about to win, he got severe muscle cramp in his leg. The cramp prevented Naren from running any further. Shattered his dream of winning the marathon. Anaerobic respiration. Yes. Which substance accumulates in muscles during cramp due to lack of oxygen? Which substance accumulates in muscles during cramp? Which substance accumulates in muscles during cramp? Carbon dioxide, ethanol, pyruvate, lactic acid. From 3 pathways of breakdown of glucose. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lactic acid. Lactic acid, the correct answer. How many questions are left? 50 questions are left. कोई बात नहीं, 100 क्वेश्चन तक करें बस. Till 100 question only. 100 क्वेश्चन पे स्टॉप कर दें. You want 100 क्वेश्चन तक ही करना है तो only 25 questions are left. Almost. Which of the following is correct for anaerobic respiration in human muscles? 120. Aditya is saying 120. Oxygen, no. Carbon dioxide, no. Kind crow. $100. Okay. CO2, H2 and 38 ATP. Okay. ठीक है. Right. This is from your, again, the activities. Activities are very important, everyone. CBSE 2021 term. Maintain. What is the function of the semi-permeable lining of the hemodialyzer? Four, three, two, one. Pass waste into dialyzing solution. Correct. Perfect. Nice. Which of the following is not a function of an artificial kidney? Removing nitrogenous waste, remove excess fluids, reabsorb essential nutrients, filter and purify blood. Which of the following is not a function of an artificial kidney? Artificial kidney. What is not the function of? Everyone, if you're in class 10th, subscribe to the channel. Welcome to Revision Karle, where we do live practice here. With the help of Kahoot, you can join the quiz. Yellow is the correct answer. Reabsorb essential nutrients. Yes. Powerful kiwi is so powerful. The used dialyzing solution becomes rich in which substance? Proteins, lymph, urea, and excess salts. Blood cells. The used dialyzing solution becomes rich in which substance? Proteins, lymph, urea, and excess salts. Blood cells. Yes, come on. How many questions? We are going to do only 100 questions, no? 100 ही करते हैं. 120, 100, 120, 100. Urea and excess salts. Correct answer. Nice. Trendy piranha number 1. Powerful kiwi number 2. Which part of the nephron reabsorbs useful substances like glucose and salts? Tubules, collecting duct, Bowman's capsule, glomerulus. Everyone, but after this quiz, please suggest me next quiz in which subject? Next quiz in which subject? Social studies or science, continue, or English or math? Which part of the nephron reabsorbs useful substances like glucose and salts? Tubules. Tubules. SST. Okay. Where is the greenish yellow liquid? Yes, you have to read this case. The partially digested food coming from the stomach of a person enters a long and narrow organ in the body. The organ A receives secretion of 2 glands, liver and pancreas. Liver secretes a greenish yellow liquid. B. Pancreas secretes a pancreatic juice which contains 2 digestion enzymes C and D. The intestinal juice completes the process of digestion food. What is the greenish yellow liquid B? Where is greenish yellow liquid B? Liver secretes. Liver secretes. What does liver secrete? Liver and gallbladder. Okay. Yes. Nice. Next question. Which enzymes are represented by C and D and pancreatic juice? Again, same. Same. Trypsin and lipase. Wow. Nice. What is the function of enzymes trypsin and lipase respectively? What is the function of enzyme trypsin and lipase respectively? Both digest fats, trypsin proteins, lipase carbs, trypsin proteins, lipase fats, trypsin carbs, lipase fats. Yes. Case-based questions. See, today we have done case-based questions. We have done Competency questions and trendy piranha. Wow, again trending. We are going to do only till 100 question everyone. 100 question पे quiz stop हो जाएगा. 120 would be too much. From 8:30 से start है यार. 100 आज 100 पे इधर. We will just stop. Everyone, if you want to support this channel, please do check out the Anki flashcards. And because this channel is not getting any support, so we are not asking for anything, but we want to give Anki flashcards, and you can actually purchase that and support the channel. Please, it will be really helpful. Identify tube F, part G, opening H, and process I in the digestive system. Large intestine, anus, rectum, excretion. Large intestine, rectum, anus, egestion. Large intestine, anus, rectum, digestion. Small intestine, rectum, anus, ingestion. Trendy Piranha is on number 1. Which two chambers of the heart have arteries connected to them? Left atrium and right ventricle. Arteries connected to them? Hmm. "26, 25, 24, 23. 16. Left atrium and right ventricle, left ventricle and right ventricle. Left atrium and right atrium, left ventricle and right atrium. So everyone, in which subject you want the next Kahoot? In next Kahoot, what are the capillaries? Large tubes returning blood, smallest vessel for exchange, thick walled arteries, veins that store oxygen. Yes. Come on. Smallest vessel for exchange. Capillaries. Smallest vessel. Yes. Powerful kiwi. Trendy piranha. Oh, powerful kiwi is on number 1. Powerful kiwi. Aditya is on number 1. Nice. Very good. Which vessel carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs? Pulmonary vein from left ventricle, aorta from left ventricle, vena cava from right atrium, pulmonary artery from right ventricle. बताओ भाई जल्दी बताओ. What is the correct answer? Pulmonary artery from right ventricle is the correct answer. Nice. Whoa, top 3 students are actually making the difference. What is blood pressure and how it is measured? Flow rate, pulse meter, blood density, barometer, pressure on the walls, thermometer. Pores on walls, sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is the correct answer. Nice. Powerful kiwi, trendy piranha, kind crow. Top 3 candidates. Bas 9 questions और बचे हैं everyone. And then we will be done. Veins have thicker walls, arteries are larger, arteries get blood after heart contraction, arteries carry more oxygen. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arteries get blood after heart contraction is the correct answer. Yes. A student noticed that a magnesium ribbon gained mass after burning in air. Why did this happen? Page number 1, your science book. Activity 1.1. Question is there. Yes. Four, 3, 2, 1. The magnesium ribbon reacted with oxygen, increasing the mass. Oh, this was the reason. क्या बात है भाई? So those who are watching, welcome to Revision Color channel. This is class 10th live stream for the quiz where you can participate and join the real quiz. What you have to do, you have to just click the pinned comment link and join the quiz. You have a mixture of H2 and O2 is sealed in container. What could you do to slow down the formation of water? Increasing the concentration of oxygen, decreasing temperature, adding a catalyst, increasing the pressure. Yeah. Decreasing the temperature is the correct answer. Yes. When a student mixed HCl with NaOH, then what happens? Temperature is increased. What kind of reaction is this and why did it happen? Decomposition reaction because energy was absorbed, neutralization reaction because heat was released during the reaction, displacement reaction because sodium displaced hydrogen from acid, combination reaction because two substances, neutralization reaction because heat was released during the reaction. Okay, nice. Okay, only 5 questions, 5 to 6 questions left, then we are done. 3Fe, 4H2O, FeO, 3O4, 4H2. What would happen if the rate of the reaction, if the temperature is lower significantly? बताओ क्या होगा आंसर? रेड, ब्लू, येलो, ग्रीन. Three answers. We have 3 answers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reaction rate decreases, the kinetic energy of the molecule decreases. Yes. Powerful kiwi. When lead nitrate is heated, it gives a yellow solid and brown fumes. What are the products and why do they form? When lead nitrate is heated, it gives a yellow solid and brown fumes. Again from your NCRT. Okay. And the answer is it is lead monoxide. Fumes are nitrogen dioxide as thermal decomposition. Yes. When water is electrolyzed, more gas is collected at one electrode than water. What does this mean? Why the larger volume of gas is oxygen because oxygen is diatomic. Larger volume of gas is H2 because twice as many hydrogen atoms are released. The larger volume of gas is due to a faster reaction rate at one electrode. The gases at both electrodes should be the same because the water splits evenly. Larger volume of gases H2 because twice as many hydrogen atoms are released. Okay. You are increasing surface area of zinc granules reacting with dilute H2SO4. What would it affect the rate of reaction? Why? How? How would it affect? Red, blue, yellow and green. यार पढ़ते पढ़ते मैं तो थक गया. You have all the answers in your screen. Oh, I can zoom it. Aha. Like this. The rate would increase because more zinc atoms would be available to react. Nice. 14 correct answers in a row. Second last question for the quiz, everyone. 100 question के बाद में ये stop हो जाएगा quiz and we will end the quiz. When barium chloride is mixed with sodium sulfate, a white solid forms. What kind of reaction is this? How to confirm? बताओ भाई, redox है, combination है, it is decomposition or it is double displacement. हेलो कुशल भाई. Okay, so this is the last question for tonight and we are done with the quiz now. 100 question. During the rusting of iron, which of the following best explains why a process is slow in dry air but faster in moist air? Last quiz. And after that, result. Okay, I will, don't worry, I will give you a shout out if you have done the quiz. And this is the quiz. Number 1 is powerful kiwi, number 2 is trending piranha, and number 3 is kind crow. So final standing मैं बता देता हूँ आपको. Powerful kiwi is Aditya with number 1 rank. Congratulations. Trendy piranha Mitali number 2. Number 3 kind crow. Nice. Excellent. Excellent. Excellent, everyone. So yeah, that's it. So thank you very much. If you have joined the quiz, please subscribe to the channel and we will meet next time. मैं पहले से I will just schedule the quiz so that you will get the notification and मिलते हैं. Probably it is going to be the social science quiz next time. Till then, bye bye. Good night and keep studying.